Safety should be a priority in any vehicle, especially when you need to carry your family with you. This means you might want to find the safest midsize SUV possible. Thankfully, there are many SUVs that have been awarded the top 2 rankings for safety by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Several tests go into these ratings, ensuring vehicles have been thoroughly tested to be the safest midsize SUVs available to you. What else are you looking for in an SUV? Here we have summarized the 10 safest midsize SUVs for you. Number 10. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander earns one of the highest midsize SUV safety ratings of Top Safety Pick. This is the second highest rating for any vehicle, making this Toyota SUV a safe model to drive and enjoy. The Highlander has 3 rows of seats, making it good for a large family. This Toyota SUV has room for 8 people and plenty of standard features, giving most drivers the basics they need. The Highlander might be overlooked in many cases thanks to the growth of the midsize 3-row SUV class. Number 9. Hyundai Palisade. If you want to drive one of the safest midsize SUV models available, the Hyundai Palisade is a great choice. This 3-row SUV has several value-oriented lower trims that are appealing to families that must stick to a budget. The top models of this Hyundai SUV are made to target luxury rivals with comprehensive features, high-end design, and handsome interior finishes. The Palisade brings comfort, quality, and safety to your driving experience. Number 8. Volkswagen Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas is one of the safest midsize SUVs you'll find. It has plenty of room in the cabin to give everyone the space they need while driving. You may enjoy the European driving nature of the Atlas, which does almost everything well. Don't expect the finer details in this Volkswagen SUV compared to some of the other models in this class. Still, the Atlas has the drive, power, and safety you want when you need a family-sized SUV with 3 rows. Number 7. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee earns a mid-size SUV safety rating of Top Safety Pick, which makes it a safe choice and an impressive off-road SUV. The Grand Cherokee comes with 2 rows of seats, but can have 3 rows if you choose the Grand Cherokee L. This Jeep SUV is rugged and impressive in nearly every trim. The base Laredo makes it easy to get started, but if you want a more luxurious and polished version, choose the Summit Reserve model. The Jeep Grand Cherokee gives you access to the off-road trails in your area. Number 6. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot earns the highest rating from the IIHS, making it one of the safest midsize SUV models you'll find. This SUV combines truck-like looks with a car-like ride to be a useful, practical, and impressive SUV to drive and enjoy. This Honda SUV has been one of the favorites in this class for many years. Once you step inside and see the roomy cabin and impressive cargo space, you'll see why the Pilot has been one of the most popular choices among 3-row midsize SUVs. Number 5. Subaru Ascent. Among the safest midsize SUVs, the Subaru Ascent is one of the few with a standard AWD. This means the Ascent is safe and more capable on the road, especially when you run into foul weather during your drive. This Subaru SUV could be a great choice if you want safety and driving capability, but it's smaller and not nearly as classy as other models in this category. The Ascent can be a great choice when you only need to use the 3rd row occasionally. Number 4. Mazda CX-70. The new Mazda CX-70 earns the highest of the midsize SUV safety ratings from the IIHS, achieving the Top Safety Pick Plus designation. This SUV is also roomy and comfortable, giving drivers 2 rows of seats in a build that's made of 3 rows. Like most other Mazda vehicles, the CX-70 has impressive sporty driving dynamics and excellent acceleration. This SUV feels elegant and upscale compared to some of its competition. However, it's not the right choice if you need 3 rows of seats. Number 3. Kia Telluride. One of the safest midsize SUV models is also among the top rated by many experts. This SUV is the Kia Telluride, which is a compelling model with features and qualities that'll satisfy families and those drivers looking for a premium SUV at a mainstream price. This Kia SUV has become a popular pick for many people looking for a 3-row mid-sized SUV with lots of room for passengers across 3 rows. It provides lots of comfort and spaciousness and is one of the most enjoyable vehicles you can drive. Number 2. Mazda CX-90. The Mazda CX-90 is one of the safest mid-size SUVs you can find. This impressive vehicle hits the top safety rankings with style, providing you with a stylish and enjoyable build that makes it feel much more premium than its mainstream competition. This Mazda SUV climbs the social ladder with an upscale design and lots of standard and available features. The PHEV powertrain enables some all-electric driving, making it easy to save fuel, especially if you only need to drive a few miles.
Number 1. Nissan Pathfinder. The Nissan Pathfinder achieves the highest of the midsize SUV safety ratings, giving you everything you need to have a safe and reliable vehicle to drive. This midsize SUV seats up to 8 passengers and is the second largest Nissan SUV you can drive. If you want comfortable family transport, this Nissan SUV is a great choice. It might not be the off-roader you desire, but neither are most of the models in the class. You'll be pleased with what the Pathfinder brings to your driving experience. Those are the top 10 safest midsize SUVs we reviewed.